In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class first year. As you know, in a previous lecture we understood the topic, the brick and head drill, and we also understood the lessons background as well. In today's lecture we will also solve the exercise, and this exercise we will also learn the tenses that are given in the exercise as well. So here present simple and present perfect tense. The simple present tense is used to make a general statement or express a general truth. General statements and general truth means universal truth. We can also use present simple tense, irrespective of consideration of time. And we use present simple tense whenever we refer to present time or an action that are repeated whenever we do on daily basis. We can also use their present simple tense as well. He drives very well. Nothing grows in a desert. To describe a habitual action. So as I repeat, habitual action, it means repeated action. We go to the cinema on Saturdays. Means every Saturday they go to the cinema. The tide rises and falls twice every day. Tide rises and falls means twice, means 2 times every day. Daily basis. Okay. So this was a present simple tense. Because here this is a general brief description about the all tenses. Then after we will go to the exercise as well. To describe future action after temporal conjunction, the progressive present tense is used as to describe an action that is taking place now at this very moment. What are you doing? It means you are doing something, and one is asking you about it. I am cleaning my teeth. Okay, so because he is on the middle of an action. To describe an action that will take place in the near future. She is flying to Glasgow tomorrow. Okay, whenever in this, when you have arranged it or planned it to do something tomorrow, next year, okay, this morning, this evening, after 1 week, you can also use present continuous for near future. When are you making your next film? Okay, because this will be also a meaning of future. Simple present perfect tense is used to describe an action which took place at the indefinite time in the past. We are not interested in when the action took place. Okay, so here, have you ever been to North America? It means, have you ever visited to North America? Have you ever been? Have you been? It means visited. Whenever we use have you ever been? Have you ever been to historical places? It means have you ever visited historical places? Okay, no, but I have been to Canada. It means he has visited Canada. It means he have gone to Canada. To describe an action which took place that was completed in the very recent past. For example, the train has just arrived. Means I think it has taken 2 minutes to arrive, or 3 minutes. Means it has recently arrived here. We have just finished dinner. It means they have finished. They have paused 3 to 4 minutes. The progressive present perfect means present perfect continuous tense. Tense is used when an action which began in the past is still continuing in the present. How long have you been studying English? Okay, how much time you are studying? He has been acting in the film since he was 21. He is acting in the film. It means he is working in the film since he was 21. Means when he was 21. So here, what have you done this afternoon? Means in the question, what did you do in the afternoon? It means what is different between the present perfect and past. As we already know, the present perfect, it means something has just finished. In the past, we don't know the exact time when it was done. What did you do in the afternoon? It is now 10 p.m. So because we don't know when he has done. So now come to the exercise. Put the verb in bracket in the correct form. The present tense are simple progressive. It means the present simple tense or present continuous tense. She always takes her pet dog for a walk before breakfast because this is a habitual. As already told you, habitual repeated action, we use the present simple tense. It means she always takes her pet dog for a walk before breakfast. A single scene in a film often costs, it means a present simple tense, pounds, thousand of pounds. I rarely wear a tie in summer, but so here in this there are two parts of sentence. First part of consists of present simple tense. The second part consists of present continuous tense. I rarely wear a toy in summer because the repeated action is using of the but I am wearing one now. Okay, because but I am wearing one now. So my dear students, in this way you can also done the exercise, and the verbs we have been given in brackets, where we use present simple tense and where we use present continuous tense. It's homework for you. Exercise number 8. Restate the following sentence in the present perfect tense, because we have to use these sentences into present perfect tense. If in this examples, I visited Kolkata 6 times between 1990 and 1995, because here it is used as a past simple tense. So now here we have to use a present perfect tense. Like this, I have often. So here often we are given in a brackets. So use I have often visited Kolkata. Okay. In number 1, Mary visited Egypt on her honeymoon twice. So Mary has twice visited Egypt on her honeymoon. So like this. In second, I did not see a crocodile when I was in Africa. It means I have never seen crocodile in Africa. So never. So like this you have to use it. Suppose in third, we didn't learn Russian at school. We have never learned Russian at school. Okay. So like this. The rest of sentence you it is homework for you as well. Come to the exercise 9. In this exercise, my dear students, change the following sentences which now refer to the future so that they refer to the immediate past. Use just and only just with the present perfect. So because we have to use present perfect tense and using of just and only just. For suppose I am going to have a driving lesson tomorrow, because going to where we use going to do. Okay, going to do when we have already decided For suppose I have just had a driving lesson. Okay, just means abhi abhi. I am going to take my driving test next month. It means we have, sorry, I have just taken my driving test. Okay, just I have used here, I have just taken, because we have to use present perfect with just and only just. We shall have a storm soon. Okay, we have just had a storm. Okay, we have just had a storm. Second and third, the firework will start at midnight. If we have to use it the just and present with present perfect, the fireworks has just started. Okay, my dear students, so now this exercise also homework for you. So you have to use present perfect with just and only just. So there are two exercises remaining, so I think we should complete the lesson as well. In this exercise, we have to use the present perfect simple or progressive. Simple or progressive, it means present perfect simple or present perfect continuous tense. Progressive, it means a continuous tense. As in the first lesson, we have been driving for 2 hours and have not passed a single petrol station. So in the first part of the sentence, we have to use present perfect continuous, and the second part of the sentence we have to use present perfect simple tense. So how we know that where we use present perfect continuous and where we use present perfect simple perfect? Okay, so because according to the sense of the sentence, we have to use present perfect or present perfect continuous tense. And second, I studied Russian for 4 years. I have been studying Russian for 4 years, but I cannot speak it yet. Okay. Number third, she not called to collect her wages for 3 weeks. It means she have not collected her wages for 3 weeks. It means a simple present perfect use will be there. So like this, you have to also use this exercise. So my dear students, this is the last exercise. I think I have given you a sufficient homework. So I would like to complete this exercise. Put the verb in a bracket into the correct tense, present perfect or simple past. Okay. So here present perfect, either we have to use present perfect or present simple. Here he in a brackets have 5 different jobs since he in a bracket leave school. It means he had 5 different jobs. He had been 5 different jobs since he left the school. Okay, here will be left means past. Since his father's death, he become is a first form of verb, became it is second form. It means a simple past. So here I went to Switzerland 2 years ago. Years ago, it means definitely it's a past. Whenever you use ago, but I haven't been there since. I have not been there since. So my dear students, in this exercise where we use present perfect and where we use simple past. So I think in this these exercises you have learned, and if you have not learned a proper way, or you have any query or question regarding these exercise, you can also reach me in this group. Thank you, my dear students.